having the glass look nice all the time is always something that is important to us, right? I was looking for a product that would make the cleaning process a lot easier and a lot less frequent. I obviously did all the showers and all the bathrooms. I did a lot of research on it, and there's a lot of products out there. To me, Diamon-Fusion was the final choice. There were some pretty challenging situations. I wanted to just, go to the next level on the glass, and, Diamon-Fusion was able to provide that. At the end of the day, I think it's the best product with the best service and the best value.